Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with the final update on our project in North Kansas City. All we were doing today is just tidying up everything, getting all of our plywood that we had covering the trenches, all the broken up concrete hauled off. We finished everything yesterday. We just wanted to try to tidy up everything before we fully pulled off the job. So just a little recap on what we did on this north side of the foundation. And then on the back side, along the entire length of the back foundation wall, we excavated all the way down to the footing. And then, as you can see, on every vertical wall seam that we had access to, we sealed with polyurethane all the way down to where the footing met the foundation wall. And then from that seam up 4 feet, we sealed with foundation tar, which you can fully see on our earlier videos on this project. And then on the two downspouts here on the north side, we had that buried and running out to a pop-up valve right here. And we just had it this far out. You can't get much further due to roots of this tree out in front. And then the neighbor's property is right next to it, so that's the stopping point for that downspout, but that'll help with the water flow. And then on this back side, it was the exact same thing, except we had to initially saw cut this patio here so we could fully excavate, and we didn't want to leave any section of the foundation unsealed, so we had to excavate, saw cut and jackhammer out that section of concrete, which was all poured back on Tuesday. And then just the same thing, as you can see, you can still see some of the polyurethane that we sealed up the seams with. Did the same work with the tar. And then speaking with the person living in the house, even with the big heavy rainfalls that we had a couple Saturdays ago, not a drop of rain or water was seen inside the home since we started work. And that was even before we started the backfill. So we know that now with the drainage systems in place, there will be no issues of water infiltration inside this home. And then the other little additional spot we did was we buried this downspout on the back south side, and then we had to saw cut a little section as well. You can see right up there, just to get this downspout properly buried, and that runs out to this pop-up valve. Pop-up valve that you see right here is actually connected to piping, which you can see on earlier videos running alongside the back foundation wall above the footing. So that is essentially it for this project. It took us about 2.5 weeks to get everything finished up, but the important part is that the people living here, they have not had to deal with any further water infiltration issues since we started this project. Everything is properly sealed the first time, so we're not going to have to come back, dig everything out, and reseal it. So we make sure to overkill all the sealing before we finish. So for all your foundation and crack repair needs, please give us a call, 816-288-4373. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And for all of the videos for this job and all of our other current and past jobs, you can go to our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for Piers LLC. Please give us a like and subscribe if you have not already. Thank you.